In today's class, we will be learning the topic, presentation package. A presentation package is a computer software package that is used to display information, usually in the form of a slideshow. Examples of presentation: Package Microsoft, PowerPoint Macromedia, Flash, Windows Movie, Maker OpenOffice. Uses of presentation package: as a slideshow, in delivering multimedia lectures, in writing multimedia storybook, getting started with PowerPoint. Ways to start PowerPoint: double-clicking the icon on the desktop, using the Start menu. Ways to create a new presentation: using blank presentation, using templates, Auto Content Wizard. How to insert text. Placeholders are the dotted outline that appear when you create a new slide. These boxes serve as placeholders for objects such as the slide title, text, chart, table, and clip art. Just click to add text in any placeholder, or double-click to add the specified object. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.